Hello, I am back from my weekend trip to sunny Southern California, and I tell you, I feel so relaxed. I feel wonderful. But I know some of you may not know, but one of my bags didn't, I, it went missing. And it had all of my 310 items in it, my shakes and just everything. So I was without. Um, and so anyway, I thought I would just, if I couldn't get any 310 shakes, that I would just do a substitute and just go to the store and get some meal replacement shakes and just as a substitute. I thought about that thing and I said, you know what? 310 is 310 and I don't want a substitute. I am 310 loyal. I am 310 committed. I am 310 strong. And I am a loyalist and I am loyal to 310. I will not, no, I will not cheat on 310. But anyway, so what I did, and this is for anybody that takes a trip and you find yourself in the situation that I was in. I didn't have my meal replacement shakes and I wasn't able to get any while I was there. So I am so grateful and thankful to 310 community. I am so thankful for all of the things that I've learned since I've been there. Let me show you before I tell you what I'm about to tell you. These are some of the things that I'm using to help me thus far. And yeah, but let me show you this for a moment. Okay, so these are just some of the items that are getting me to where I am, and I will share with you where I am. So now that I'm back, you see I have the shakes, um, the supplements, the hydrant, the detox teas, and the lemonades. Just you see the items. Okay, so these are the things that I'm using, amongst other 310. But I have been very successful with these items, and I am just so grateful. So while I found myself without these items while I was on my journey, my birthday shenanigans trip to California, I prayed. And the most important part of this journey is that, okay? All right. I prayed and I said, God, I can't get any shakes, 310 shakes. What's a girl to do? I am 310 loyal. I am 310 committed. I tell you, I thank him because he just put it in my heart and in my mind. Remember nutritionist Sierra? Remember dietitian Becky? What have you learned from them? Thank you so much, ladies. All of the whole community. There's I mean, and it's not just Sierra and Becky, but oh my God, so many of you. I've learned so much. But I went back in my phone and I went over some of the videos. Thank God for the videos. Ladies, thank you so much. You guys were lifesavers while I was on this trip. While I was on my shenanigans trip in Southern California, nutritionist Sierra and dietitian Becky and so many others, I went back and I remembered the things that I learned from you guys and went back over some of your videos. Guys, don't take those videos for granted. Those videos help. And I'm going to tell you, thank you, God, for reminding me to go back and remember what I learned from these ladies. So I went in and I didn't have the shakes, so I did what I did in moderation, drank tons of water, and I still ate clean. But of course, it was my birthday, and I had some cake, and I had fun. Okay, but I did everything in moderation, and like I said, I drank tons and tons of water. I wasn't doing soda or lemonades, or I drank water. I think I did have Crystal Light lemonade. Okay, so that's okay. Um, and so I want to share with you in doing what these ladies taught me and the whole 310 community. Thank you guys. The ones that did reach out to me while I was in California, you weren't there and you weren't able to help me out with the shakes. That's okay. That's okay. Oh my God. Just the fact that if you could, you would. The support was just, I love my 310 family. I really, really do. I love you guys. Thank you. So, when I got back this morning, I got back yesterday, so this morning I got up and I got on the scale. Y'all see these dimples? Thanks again, ladies. Sierra, Miss Becky, thank you guys. 310 community, thank you. 4 pounds. Oh, can you believe it? 4, actually 4.2 pounds down. Taking what I learned from these ladies. Now, was that all over the weekend? No, no, no. That's from January 1 to this morning. But before I left, I weighed in at, I think it was like there was a 2 pound loss. So there was actually, during this time, there was more like almost a 2 pound loss over this weekend. So, but total from January 1 to now is 4.2 pounds down. Even when I didn't have my shakes, but I relied on and remembered through him reminding me, go back. What did you learn from the nutritionist, Sierra, and what did you learn from the dietitian, Becky? Thank you, ladies. Ooh, 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 ooh. So if you guys ever find yourself in a bind where you're just without, you don't have your shakes and you can't get a hold of them, I don't recommend cheating on 310 because 310 is faithful and I'm faithful. Just go back. Go back. You got your phone. Go back to the videos. Watch. Listen to what the ladies are saying, suggesting. And that's basically what I did. And then just the community itself. So overwhelming. So overwhelming. Looking at other people's progress and successes. And I'm telling you guys, you are not getting rid of me. I am in it to win it. And I'm just declaring it. I've already won. Already won. I'm still going down, but I won. I won. So, guys, whenever you find yourself in a bind, those videos are there for a reason. Pull them up, listen to them. It's so much good information. And I am so grateful and thankful that the things that I learned from these ladies and the community really helped me during this time when I was without the shakes. Moderation and tons of water, some Crystal Light, and I walked. I kept up my routine. I still walked. And oh my God, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And again, those that reached out and that wanted to help but couldn't help, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And also, I really wanted to go to Las Vegas while I was out there. I wanted to go to the 310 store. I wanted to meet some of the staff, whoever's there. I just, I'm coming. I'm coming to you guys. I promise you, I am coming. I so wanted to come out there and just love on you guys, just meet you. I wanted to just see what you got in the store and just purchase some of the stuff you guys have there in the store. So I will see you guys at some point. I will see you guys. Anyway, thank you guys so much. And just remember, if you ever get to the point where you are without, pull up those videotapes. Remember, learn everything in moderation and drink tons and tons and tons of water and keep moving. All right. God bless you guys. It's good to be back. Kind of. It's raining here and I'm a little bit stuffy. But I loved it while I was out there. And anyway, you guys, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.